Hey guys, it's Brady Mower back for another video. Today we have a whole bunch of Hot Wheels Series 2 mystery models. So, if you guys didn't know, it has a little peek hole so you can see the color. I don't know if you guys can see it. So let's open this one, and we have 10 of them. See, okay, got it. Okay, there's the sticker. It's all crumbled up, but I'll put the stickers right there. So here's the car. It is a Pathemouth Supid.
Plymouth Superbird.
It's a Plymouth Superbird.
Plymouth Superbird. Okay,
so we'll put that one right there. So we're down to 1. I mean, we're down to 9 more. Guys, I'm struggling with these packages. Guys, I'm so sorry that I'm taking so long. I need scissors.
Hold the camera.
So, he's going to try to help me get it open. So, he'll also open the other ones. So, we have an Audi right here.
Another Audi.
We got another Audi. I will be giving one of the Audis away. Put that one to the side. This one goes up there.
Ford Fiesta.
We got a Ford Fiesta. So while we're waiting for him, I'll just throw all those over there.
Formula One car.
Whoa! Look at this. Nice race car, guys.
Oh, another Audi.
Oh, guys, that Audi's going away too. I'll have to give that one to my cousin.
Another Formula One car.
We got another 40. Throw that one to you guys.
Cadillac.
We got a Cadillac.
Datsun. That's cool.
Datsun. Oh yeah, that thing's sick.
And another Fiesta.
Another Fiesta that's going to you guys. So, you guys could win 2 Audis.
Ford Fiesta.
One Ford Fiesta.
And a Formula One car.
And then, or you could win 2 of these, or you can win 3 like that. So if we get 50,000, if we get 25 likes on this video, which we hadn't gotten all our other videos, I will do this again with, if I can find a different mystery models. So now that we have all those open, it's time to go look at the stickers. He's gonna film me. So we got the Audi right here. That can go with that one. So you guys will get that and a sticker. See, does this one have a sticker? No, it does not. Throw that one back there. Let's see if this one has a sticker. What is this one? Oh, how did I know? Let's see what this one is. This one should be... Yep, this one goes with that one. See what this one go with. This one goes with this one. I'll throw you right there. Let's see what this one has. This one probably has nothing. No. Does this one have anything? No. This one? Yes. Let's see what this one is. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. Throw this one down there. Okay. So now we're gonna have this one. so there's nothing in this one. That's cool. What do we have in this one? Oh, yep, this one goes with you guys. That's all your cars. If you can win all of them if you guys subscribe, turn on the bell, and turn on the notifications, so you guys can always see when I post a video. So we have this one that can go with this one. Throw that one there. Then, okay, we have 3 packs. That one doesn't have anything. This one has something. This one has the Audi. Guys, I like how Hot Wheels makes these, but what they really need is like more, like a Series 3, because I looked for a Series 3 and they didn't have one. So yeah, that's all for this video, and make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell, and turn on the notifications so you guys can win one of these cars. Just one of these. And bye.